is Apostle Herman Bibbs. Miracles today seem to be something that people find it hard to believe. Did you not know, my friends, that man has a rim of miracles? The eyeglasses in man's rim. Many people see better because of the eyeglasses. That was man's rim of miracles. The computer. And now we have a car that can tell us about an accident even before it happens. These are all rims of miracles that man can perform. But you see, there are still impossibilities. Something that man cannot do. Something that is out of the reach of man. And many of you listening to me now are facing impossibilities. But there is a word for you. In St. Matthew chapter 19 and 26, you may have heard it before, but today, allow it to come alive within your spirit. And Jesus beheld them and said unto them, with men this is impossible, but with God all things are possible. Today, I want you to know that whatever you're facing, whatever you're dealing with, no matter how hard, no matter how traumatic, God is able. Release your faith. Don't look at what man seems to feel cannot happen, but trust the God that says all things are possible if you can believe. This is Apostle Herman Bibbs, and you have just been repaired.